Terrace gardening offers the joy of cultivating your own green space, providing a peaceful retreat, fostering a sense of accomplishment, and yielding fresh, homegrown produce. It connects you with nature amid urban living, promoting relaxation and a deeper appreciation for sustainable living. Moreover, growing your own herbs, vegetables, or flowers not only contributes to a healthier lifestyle, but also reduces your ecological footprint. Steps on how to make terrace garden. Step 1. Getting started. Plants have considerable weight, so be sure to check that your building can sustain the extra weight. Check for waterproofing of your roof slab, make sure it is sound. It is better to do waterproofing again to avoid leakages in the future. There are two different ways to make terrace gardens. Either you can cover the entire surface with soil to make a lawn, or you can put earthen pots and plant seeds in them. In case you are covering the entire surface of the terrace with soil, make sure you have sound waterproofing of the roof to avoid any leakage into the home. It is recommended to apply a waterproofing layer on the roof slab. The waterproofing layer must be covered with an insulation layer which protects it. Step 2. Plan the layout of the terrace garden. After checking the roof slab, plan the layout of your terrace garden. Placing of different pots and space for recreational activities must be planned out properly. As terrace gardens have space constraints as compared to a normal garden, effective utilization of the space available is must. Check the areas which are shaded and areas which receive sunlight for the maximum time of the day. Step 3. For your terrace garden. This is a very interesting step to make a terrace garden. There are a variety of plants, but fiber-rooted plants are recommended over deep-rooted plants, which require more depth of soil and hence more weight. Select plants according to the sunshade on your roof. Weak plants which require less sunlight must be placed in the shaded areas, while plants which require hefty amount of sunlight must be placed in non-shaded areas. You can buy seeds of the required plants from the nearby nurseries, or you can also order them online. Step 4. Select the perfect soil and containers to plant the seeds. The soil must be selected according to the plants. Different soil types must be filled in the pots according to the various plants you have selected. If you are covering the entire surface of the roof, then soil must be selected such that all plants you have selected can grow in it. Pots or plant containers are important to terrace gardens. You can use earthen pots or cement pots according to your requirement. You can also buy raised beds for terrace garden, which are alternative to the beds used in a regular garden. The major advantage of raised beds is that they are wider compared to pots. Hence, for growing vegetables, they are most preferred. Trellis for creepers can be bought, which will help in vertical gardening. You can also hang some small flowering plant to decorate your terrace garden. Step 5. Assemble the elements and start gardening. Now, when you have purchased all the required plants and containers, you can assemble them and start gardening. Plant the seeds in the pots or lawn and water them regularly. Also, you can decorate your garden with lightweight furniture. To enjoy its calming atmosphere, you can easily set up your terrace garden with these simple steps.